Look how creative this one is. All just part of the rock. It's even got the mold growing on the rocks. Look at that. But this makes a nice conversation piece on your lawn. You've got some of the old farm equipment here. Plow up your rows. Mix in with all the natural. But this water fountain, look at that. More of that. But look at this. All it is just rock piled all the way up. And let the water naturally fall down. A lot of people like this outside in their backyards and stuff because the sound of the water flowing is just relaxing. So this makes a beautiful, relaxing water fountain. All natural, everything you have right in your backyard. Pick up the rock, plant one. If you notice, it's all kind of old fencing there. Look at this. And see, they just incorporate a lot of the old tools. Use that in the scenery. So you can arrange this old metal fence any way you want.